Hey guys, today we're checking out this Sony ES 80 mini disc. I guess once again, these are all of the mini discs are getting harder and harder to find. It's February 2025, and Sony just said they're going to end all the production of mini discs, so they are getting harder and harder to find. Especially this one for cheap. I almost feel kind of bad opening this one, but I've opened more rare discs. This one's not quite that rare, it's still kind of common. They're just kind of pricey. Let's see, find that seam here. Go up and down. What is this? Oh, I see. Some multiple layers on the corners. That could have been clear. Just push it through.
Oh, it's fine.
Just unskinning it. Cool. Not too bad. A little tape can fix that. Take a look at the paperwork. Oh, look at that case. Oh, definitely get to that in a sec. Japanese all over. Very simple. You just, oh, there's two sides. You just write all over it. I guess why would you fill up the real estate with more lines and paperwork or writing when you could just write it yourself? And here it is. Little sleeve. Frosty on one side, kind of whitish cream, not really beige yet. This is new, so it's still white. And here it is. Look at that. It weighs pretty nice. I almost want to whip the scale out for this. Okay, got the scale out. And then let's just weigh this. 19.3. Here's some prisms. 17.3. So this does have a little more weight than like your average Sony. It has like a nice premium weight to it. I love this gold shutter. Well, that's pretty cool. Thanks for tuning in.